Now we don't always do brand spanking nice, cleaning, perfect vans, do we, Sven?
No.
Now sometimes we do get some older vans in. Now this is a 2005 Swift Kontiki, and Swift have been making Kontiki since, I bet it was since you were born.
Probably, yeah.
When were you born?
2000, Year of the Dragon.
Oh, that's frightening. 2000. Jeepers creepers. They've been making Swift Kontikis that are older than Finn, actually. So we've got Swift Kontiki is 655.
Yeah.
7.5 metres long, isn't it?
Yeah.
So nice looking thing.
Nice looking van, yeah. The decals are lovely.
Really nice. Alloys.
Yeah.
Nice alloys. One thing it's missing, it's not got an awning, have you noticed?
Yeah.
Don't worry, Finn, I'll open all these up.
Gas filler there, is it?
Yeah, we've got a gas loaf system on it. Look at that, 2 gas bottles. Freshwater filler. Vents for the fridge. What's that telling us, Finn?
Big fridge.
Big fridge. Big fridge, little fridge, big fridge. Hook up. And then that's the flue for the heating system. Go on, what, you can say something?
Nothing now, just noticed there was a light up there, so...
Yeah, awning light.
Yeah, warning light. No awning.
It's a 4-berth, 4 belted seats. And what have we got there? Look at that stool, isn't it?
Goes right the way through as well. You can see.
I think if you look at these, not so much, well, yeah, I suppose even the new ones. Do you think it's trying to be an A-class?
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
With the way it goes all the way through, the big bottles.
Yeah.
It's trying to be an A-class, but it's a coach built. But no, it's a good looking van, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good looking van.
Really nice.
It's on the 55 plate. Do you want to jump in the other side and let's have a quick look at the cab and then we can carry on round, can't we? So we've got a big steering wheel compared to the newer vans now, aren't they? Smaller steering wheels, don't you think?
Yeah.
Reversing camera. It's a bit dated there, isn't it? What else do we got? CD multi-change. That's a multi-changer one, isn't it? CD.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. It's not going to have any air conditioning.
No air.
Cup holders. Won't have any cruise control. It's 5-speed. What do you think the engine on it is?
2.8.
Turbo diesel. Look at you. Weight.
4,250.
3,850. So you do need a C1 licence to drive this vehicle. So if you're on a normal licence, you would not be able to drive it. 7.48 metres long. Fresh water.
100 litres.
Look at you. Wastewater.
100 litres.
Whoa, not like Kevin. Kevin never gets them right.
These seats are nice, aren't they?
They are, aren't they? Before we go any further, because people keep saying about we don't leave prices, because you don't watch the end of the video. We normally tell you at the end of the video. So, what do you think, price-wise?
I have no idea.
I'm going to say 25 to 30s.
Yeah.
This is what this is going to get you.
Right, doesn't it?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on. Right, let's carry on down the other side. What's that up there, Phil?
Big aerial.
That's
big
a satellite dish.
Satellite dish, yeah.
That's a big one.
Yeah.
You can see better here, Phil. You see?
Yeah.
Well, be careful.
Maybe not.
Yeah, satellite dish.
Yeah.
Set toilet, it's going to have its own flush. Well, it's going to have a flush, but it's going to have its own water. Go on, what you can see?
Sorry, I just saw the other side to the... I think it's the other side, I'm guessing. To the storage.
Let's have a look. It does have that A-class feel, doesn't it?
No, it's
no
not.
separate.
I was thinking it was at the front, so that's for wellies and stuff, I suppose. Or
yeah.
mucky boots.
Mucky boots? Tow bar?
Yeah.
Did you want to go up and have a look?
Ladders. Can do.
Give me the camera, I'll pass it to you.
Okay.
Din, din, and din, din, and din, din. That's supposed to be Mission Impossible.
Cut that out. It's filthy. It's absolutely filthy.
Oh, okay. Shall we go inside and have a look?
Yeah, let's go in.
Right, I'm going to start at the front thing. Just pan it around, mate. One thing about these vans that I really like, I like separation.
Definitely.
You've got your living area. That's a great kitchen area.
It is, yeah. Yeah. So much prep room, isn't
Isn't there? Look at all this.
See that moves out the way.
And you've got prep here as well. Look at that. You could fit the world's biggest microwave in there. Couldn't you? You could even put one of them, are they convector microwaves in or something?
Yeah.
A grill oveny type of thing. Oh.
I was just thinking then, that's for your TV, so.
Okay.
That's for your microwave.
Okay, I'll give you that.
Got one already. So yeah, TV in there. Big TV as well.
Couldn't you just? So we'll start at the front. We've got the overcab, good size.
Really good size, yeah.
You'd be quite happy sleeping on there, wouldn't you?
Definitely, yeah.
And then that'll pull up. And then we're moving on to the dinette area. You can make that into
Good
sitting
double bed
area,
there.
and then we can also, well, let's pull out. Yeah, there we go. So if you get the
Huge
idea.
double bed, isn't it, that?
Yeah, that's a massive double bed when you look at it.
Yeah.
Good size, or even a good single.
Sit, yeah.
So you've got options there. Again, cupboard space all around. Massive skylight,
Yeah.
letting the light in.
Curtains come across as well there, which is nice. Obviously, if you are sleeping the 4 people, you separated, aren't you?
Yeah, and then we've got the curtains as well.
Yeah. Swivel seats, I don't think you mentioned them when you're in the cab. Always better when you're actually sat on them, aren't they?
Well, let's have a look.
Not in this case, swivel nice and easy.
There you go. How big's this? That's
Massive, yeah.
Massive size. Yeah, so let's have a look at what. This is a great kitchen. We've got an extractor fan there. Look at that, full size fridge freezer.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah. And then again we've got storage. I think that's the cable, that's the satellite.
The satellite, yeah.
Yeah. That's a bit strange, isn't it? Heating system will be in there, won't it? And then again,
what about these? Well, that's good.
the size of them.
Huge, isn't it? That?
And then we'll move over.
Ooh,
Look at that.
spice rack.
Now, you've said spice rack, haven't you?
Or tins.
Cans,
yeah,
tins,
cans,
right.
Yeah.
Now, if Kevin had been here, what
That's
would he have
wine.
said?
That's a wine storage.
That's a
isn't
wine
it?
rack. That's what he would have said. And there's his beer rack.
Cutlery for.
Nice use of space on it.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Really nice.
3 burner hob, hot plate, we've got grill, oven. This was probably in 2005, Finn.
Top of the
van,
range. Yeah.
Top of the range van.
Definitely.
This would have been.
Yeah.
Yeah, would have
Blinds
been.
and fly screens, they go right the way round on all your windows.
They do. And then I do like the end bathrooms, and the reason why I like that is it is a bit tight, and I'll tell you why.
Is
it's probably yeah,
For a
it's-
motorhome, I don't know.
yeah, I'll tell you why though, because look at this. Just have a look here. Look at this.
Yeah.
So that's what's
Causing the
that's it, Finn.
brightness, yeah.
But that's a nice good shower
Blown
area.
air vent down there as well,
Yeah.
which is nice if you're having a shower in the morning.
We've got the toilet. Look at this for a nice little area.
Yeah.
I can do
lovely.
me hair. I can do me.
And you can switch and do in the other mirror as well.
Yeah. And then again,
Great storage, isn't it?
that's great storage, like you said.
Shows that you can be away in it for a long time, doesn't it? If you
It is about
as
to be away in for
yeah.
a long time.
Yeah.
And then you've got it, you're going to have to come in there. I'll let you take over that for the wardrobe.
Oh wow. Freestanding table there. Extra
TV
cushions
area
for the
as well,
bed,
mate.
yeah, TV area. It's massive that is, isn't it?
Yeah. And then again, what else have we got? Again, more storage as well.
Tempered, I don't know what you'd call it, like the discoloured, the coloured glass, the
frosted,
opaque. Frosty glass. Yeah.
We have the tempered, frosted, opaque glass.
Yeah.
As well. But yeah, what I like about the end washrooms is it's a good place to get changed. So
you've got the divider as well.
Yeah, I was just going to open that and show you. I'll close it.
Yeah.
And as well, chunky.
Yeah.
Chunky. Just turn that TV aerial off there, Finn. I've got a thing about leaving TV aerials on. That's huge. Do you ever remember, other than flat screen TVs?
Yeah, we used to have one actually. Yeah, big chunky one.
Big chunky ones as well.
Yeah.
So just look at the system here. We've got heating system there. So
combi, isn't it? So you can use...
yeah. That's what's known as summer settings. That's hot water only, and then we've got heating, and then heating and hot water. Then we have the option of using electric and also gas. Yeah, I've got blown air there as well.
There, yeah.
So
240 and 12 volts, is it there? Oh, USBs.
USBs.
Wow.
Now that has been put in.
Yeah.
That has been put in. Look at it even again, just little storage
Makes it
areas.
look nice, doesn't it? Homely when you've got all your little bits.
It does, doesn't it?
Mm.
But
Yeah.
we've got a cracking kitchen, cracking bathroom, cracking living area as well. I think it's a cracking van, to be honest.
It's a cracking van, yeah.
Isn't it? So, yeah, you've gassed the fresh water, spare wheels underneath the van, we've got the swivel seats. I think we've pretty much explained everything on this van. So yeah, six Kontiki, Swift Kontiki 655, 4 berth, 4 belted seats, a Fiat Ducato. Enjoyed the video, like us, subscribe to us, do everything else you want to do. Nice van.
Yeah, really nice van.
Who will it suit, Finn?
Could suit a couple, could suit a family of 4. Be fine for either, wouldn't it really? There's enough space and enough separation in the van. So...
Great for a couple.
Yeah.
Great for
a
family, like you said.
Yeah.
And also, if you want to spend a lot of time touring away,
perfect.
You're not spending £50,000-60,000 on one. You're getting for 2005 a good, solid, well-built van, which I think we've shown.
What's the mileage as well? It's not done much, has it?
It's done 24,000 miles.
Nothing,
2.8 as well, so it's got the engine.
Nothing.
So yeah, a good, solid starter van for somebody, and it's built to last. Right, move on to the next one.